Transform your online presence with powerful, authentic user-generated content ads made for free using the magic of AI. First, let's craft a winning script. Head to a free AI text generator, like ChatGPT or similar web's AI writer, and use prompts like write a 30-second UGC ad script for a sustainable coffee brand focusing on taste and ethical sourcing, or create a short, punchy UGC ad script for a new productivity app highlighting its ease of use. Experiment with different angles to find what resonates best for your product or service. Next, we breathe life into your script with an AI voiceover. Platforms like Eleven Labs or Murphy offer free tiers where you can input your script and choose from a variety of realistic AI voices. Select a voice that matches your brand's tone, friendly, professional, or energetic, and download the audio file. Now, let's bring your ad to life visually. For video editing, explore free AI tools such as CapCut or Canva. These platforms allow you to easily upload your AI-generated voiceover, add background music from their free libraries, and then integrate visuals. You can even use their AI features to suggest stock footage or automatically generate clips based on your text, creating a cohesive and engaging ad. Finally, combine your script, voiceover, and visuals within your chosen AI editing tool. Add text overlays to highlight key benefits or call to actions. Aim for authenticity. Using relatable scenarios and clear messaging, export your masterpiece, and you're ready to share your impactful, AI-powered UGC ad with the world, all without spending a dime.